relax and recharge. Hi, Charles here. Good morning. It's the weekend and happy weekend to everyone. So, yes, relax and recharge. So, after a long and tiring week, we deserve to relax and recharge. Spend time with family, spend time with yourself. Just give yourself a favor to take a pause, right, and recharge and bounce back a better version of yourself next week. Of course, the weekend, tomorrow, Sunday, spend time with God, go to church, the usual, pray, ask for guidance, and thank God for all the blessings this week. And of course, prayer and guidance. Then for next week, that the last week of the month would be a great week for us to achieve our goals for this month. Lord, I'm praying that this birth month of mine would be the best month ever. I hope those prayers I said to you would be given this month, before end of this month. So yan lang. Good luck, God bless everyone. Annyeonghaseyo and happy weekend.